Hello everyone and welcome to our another episode about the LinkedIn tips. I am Marisa Metsnikova, the CEO and founder of Mario Olivier Ltd, and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. And today we will be talking about if you actually need a profile pictures. So here you can see my profile, and the profile pictures or the profiles with photos receive more views and connections. There are few best practices that you need to bear in mind. So definitely it should be a high quality. So you should use a clear, high resolution image. Then the second is professional appearance. So you should have some appropriate clothes for your industry. The third one is neutral background. A simple, uncluttered background keeps focus on you. The fourth one is friendly and approachable expression. So you can use a slight smile, makes you look also more inviting and engaging for the social media. And the last here for the best practice is centered composition. So your face should be well framed and take also around 60% of the image. Here I want to express more of a writing outdoor mode speaking. So this is why I chose less than 60%, but 60% is actually recommended. What are the mistakes that many people do here is that they use, for example, some casual or party photo. LinkedIn is a professional platform, not social media, or it's social media, but mainly for the professionals. So definitely you should not use your picture with a beer or something like this. Also, group photos are not really welcomed because here we are talking about you. It's a database of professionals, so definitely the picture should feature only you, but not multiple people. Also, overly edited or filtered images are not really welcome, so you should keep it natural, authentic, and professional. Then wearing sunglasses or hats is also not very much welcome until you are not influencer or some really popular figure, but then probably you should be maybe on some another platform. And the last mistake to be avoided is outdated pictures. So definitely don't put your picture when you were 20 years old, when you are 50, because this can again cause some issues with the trust for the people on the other side. So use a recent photo that represents your current appearance. If you are concerned about the privacy, there might be also a better way than not having a profile picture, because LinkedIn offers option to control who can see your profile pictures. So there are available settings, which is the first degree connection only, your network, and all LinkedIn members or anyone on the internet. So this allows you to maintain some level of privacy while still appearing professional. So let's take a look how you can change this. If you click on your profile picture and here setting and the privacy, here you can find very easily showing profile photos, and here you can choose if no one, your connection, your network, all LinkedIn members. This is very easy to set up, and it can be maybe more appropriate option than to choose not having a profile picture at all. So this is all for today's episode about the profile pictures. If you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe, like, and notify for the next episode, and I will definitely look forward to see you next time. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Mario Olivier Ltd, and I help people to find their why and build fulfilling, profitable personal brands. So I will see you next time. Bye.